This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Sanctuary 24A is a Class B RV. It is located in Clarkston, Michigan, 48348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Sanctuary 24A is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.